Are you looking for a Greenwoods house na may 3 parking at may overlooking jacuzzi pool? Baka ito na yung house para sa inyo. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Inside Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig/Taytay area. Familiar naman kayo kung nakita nyo na yung mga previous videos namin. So this house stands on a 150 square meter lot area with a floor area of 380. Nandito tayo ngayon sa 3-car garage. Medyo madalang po kayo makakita o sa aming mga videos ng kasya po yung 3 sasakyan. So if you have a lot of cars, baka po ito yung hinahanap nyo. Kasya yung 3, actually 2 SUV, isang kotse or van, SUV, kotse, kasyang-kasya po dito. Meron pa nga pong motor, pero hindi po kasama yan sa binibenta. Anyway, the car garage, actually halos fully covered na rin siya pag sinagad nyo yung sasakyan nyo rito. So, meron na rin tayong cover. So, yun. Isa yun sa mga main advantages kasi covered na yung ating parking. And then, kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong mga concealed doors on the other side. So, this is the main door. Mamaya tayo dyan. Let's check. Meron tayong first concealed door. Ito yung ating parang storage area. Storage area. And then, you also have the water pump here. Yan. So, siyempre, alam naman natin ng mga Pilipino, very vital having enough storage. And then, there's another concealed door. Sasarado ko lang konti o para makita nyo na concealed talaga siya. Di ba? Mukhang wall. Pag tinulak mo, it goes to the yan. It goes to your garden. O, di ba? This house, meron pa siyang garden. Medyo natuyo na lang yung ating plants, pero pwede nyo namang palitan. So, this garden and pathway goes to your service area. Mamaya papakita namin sa inyo. Your main door, ang ganda ng door natin, dark brown. This is a mahogany main door with a smart lock. Smart lock na po ang ating gamit. And then, welcome to your new house. Oh, diba? It's nice. So, upon entering the house, meron ka pa ring receiving area dito. Pwede ka pa rin maglagay ng TV. But kung sinabing receiving, kasi marami tayong open spaces sa taas, which can be your family room, your living room. So, kahit wala po kayong living room dito sa baba, pwede. Pero kung gusto nyo, pwede rin naman. And then, this is your, actually, double height ceiling po ang ating receiving area or living area at saka ang ating dining. Dito sa dining area mo, meron ka pang chandelier na nakatapat. O, diba? Ang ganda niyan. Hindi lang naka-on yung ating Meralco for now, kaya walang ilaw. So, coming from the dining, this is our proper kitchen. Yan. For our proper kitchen, kumbaga, not too big, pero kasi we also have a service kitchen outside. So, more or less, ito lang yung mga coffee nook natin. You have your microwave oven. Dito natin lalagay yan. Okay, for the finishes naman ng mga cabinets natin, these are modular marine cabinets. So, mas matibay po kapag marine plywood po yung ginagamit as modular cabinets. And then, you have your range hood, Elba range hood, and then a 3-burner electric cooktop by Elba also. Papakita na yung Master BJ yan. And then, you also have the electric sockets for your coffee maker, microwave oven. And then, ang isa pang napansin ko, ang ganda ng color palette ng bahay. Kasi more on black, light brown, and then, yun, white. So, for our sink and faucet, matte black po ang ginamit natin. Yan. So, movable na rin siya. And then, this very small detail helps a lot during our, kumbaga, everyday life. Nandun yung service kitchen mo sa likod, meron ka lang ganito, parang mga restaurants, diba? Pag doon nagluto, iaabot na lang dito from your helper to you or from your helper to another helper. Mas madali, hindi mo na iikot pa yung lutong ulam, diba? Baka matapon pa. And then, this is for our 6-foot na refrigerator. Hindi kasya side by side, pero kasya naman yung 6-foot na refrigerator. From the other side naman, nandito ulit tayo sa parang living area slash receiving area. Ang laki ng mga sliding window, sliding glass doors natin dito. So, ang ganda ng pasok ng natural light. Tapos, kapag inopen nyo naman siya, meron tayong napakagandang sliding screen para sa ating mga lamok. At least hindi kayo lalamukin. So, from there, ang laki rin nito. Ayan. O, diba? Pag ginanon mo to dito, kahit hindi mo nabuksan yung AC. Pero, ang kagandahan sa bahay na to, it comes with the ACs. Ito, meron na tayong AC sa ating dining area, living area. Sa mga bedrooms din natin, may mga AC na yan. So, let's go to the service kitchen naman. Yan. So, ito ang ating service kitchen going to the laundry area. Covered na rin to. And then, we have a pantry cabinet here. So, at least lahat ng mga cooking needs ng ating mga kasambahay nandito na sa labas. And then, they also have their own toilet and bath. Medyo madilim lang, pero maluwag po yung toilet and bath nila. Yan, makikita nyo. Maluwag naman siya. And then, they also have their own staff room, syempre. Medyo madilim lang ulit. Kasi wala kang kuryente for now. So, nagka-problem lang yung Meralco. Pero, dito, kasya talaga dalawa. Dito yung double deck nila. And then, meron pa silang lagyanan ng closet. Yan. So, very spacious ang ating staff room at ang ating service area, service kitchen. This is our laundry area. So, from our service kitchen, ito ang ating laundry area. Going to the garden pathway kanina. Yan. So for our ground floor, ang kagandahan, we also have a ground floor bedroom. This is our first bedroom. Oh, ha? Diba? Luwag na ground floor bedroom nito, guys. Oh, it overlooks the front of the property or yung car garage nyo. Comes with the AC also. So bed na lang, kulang. Tsaka closet. Wala pa tayong closet. Yun. So, kagandahan yan, right next to the bedroom, first bedroom, ang ating toilet and bath. Yan. Medyo mag-a-adjust na lang sa lighting ng ating magaling na videographer at editor. So, for the toilet and bath, it's full kasi katabi nga niya yung ground floor bedroom. So, and it also comes with water heater. So, and glass enclosure. So, halos wala na kayo idadagdag sa toilet and bath. Mirror na lang dito. Yan. So, yun na lang ang kulang nyo. Pero the rest, water heater, glass enclosure, bidet, kompleto na. So, this is our staircase towards the second floor. Kung mapapansin nyo, para siyang hanging. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa sa staircase. Solid wood planks, glass, and then meron kang parang steel na frame dito for the glass. Ang ganda. Very modern yung bahay. Welcome to our second floor. Arriving on the second floor, meron agad tayong family room, living area. Maluwag po ito. And then meron na rin tayong space where you can put up your TV. Ayan, laking TV niyan. Siguro mga 65-70 inch TV, kasyang-kasya dito. Then you also have the cabinets, drawers here, yung mga kailangan. And then pwede rin kayo maglagay ng surround sound. Ganda. Tapos ang isa pang kagandahan dito, may katabi siyang balcony. O, di ba? Palagyan mo lang ng canopy to. Ganda na nito kasi kahit maulan, pag may canopy ka, in and out. Kumbaga, indoor-outdoor living tayo. Yan, kung mapansin nyo, nandito na yung mga outdoor unit ng ating mga AC. Ayan, and then, ang napakagandang C6 view. Ayan, hindi, medyo malapit po tayo sa C6. So, very convenient. Pero malapit din tayo sa guardhouse, kaya safe din po tayo dito. And, yan, maluwag po yung ating balcony. Coming from there hanggang dito. Oh, ano pala to? Sorry. Wrap around po pala yung balcony natin. So, coming from there, meron pa dito. Tara, tingnan nyo. Oh, di ba? Sobrang luwag ng ating spaces. So, dito, kung gusto niyo maglagay ng plants, pwede naman. Pero ang kagandahan, meron na rin siyang ganito. It blocks the, kumbaga, yung afternoon sun na babawasan niya. So, balik ulit tayo dito sa loob. Masyado tayo nalilibang sa labas. So, ito yung pathway natin. Yan, going to our another part of the balcony. Open ko lang para mahangin. And then, this is our second bedroom. Yan. O, diba? Ang ganda. Meron pa tayong anong tawag dito? Curtain glass wall. Usually po kasi pag mga before I used to sell condominiums. Yan yung mga penthouses, meron ganyan, curtain glass wall. Maganda to, pakita natin. Yan. So, ang downside lang nito, afternoon sun siya. So, ang kailangan lang natin ilagay dito, blinds o kaya curtains. Pero ang ganda po ng merong curtain glass wall. And then, of course, meron pa rin tayo nung trademark ng ating developer na pang wall mount na TV. Ito po yun. And then, meron na rin siyang AC. Ito, makikita niyo po. Meron na rin AC. So, ang kagandahan po kasi dyan, you don't need to go shopping for AC. Wala na rin installation processes. Medyo mas less hassle po para sa inyong mga home buyers. Yan. Tapos, ito yung sliding door naman going to the balcony kanina. Okay? Yan. Ang kagandahan, meron tayong ensuite, toilet and bath. Mamaya makita namin. Pero meron siyang walk-in closet. O, diba? May walk-in closet na tayo. So, may walk-in closet po tayo for our second bedroom. Hindi pa po ito yung master's bedroom. Yan. And then, this is our toilet and bath. Meron na rin shower enclosure yung toilet and bath natin. And then, of course, your sink and faucet. And then, the lavatory. It comes with also with bidet. Yan. So, ito ang ating shower. O, diba? Maluwag. Pag sinarado mo, hindi na ito, hindi na mababasa. Ganda. Tara, check natin yung master's bedroom. Wow! Yan. So, pagpasok natin ng master's bedroom, kung mapapansin nyo on your right side, walk-in closet na agad to. May sliding glass door pa tayo. Ayan, diba? And then, this is our walk-in closet. Malaki na rin siya. Pahaba. Diba? It's nice. And then, of course, our master's toilet and bath. Same finishes po yung mga toilet and bath natin. And then it comes, all toilet and bath comes with a water heater. So yun, ang ganda kasi may AC ka na, may water heater ka ba. And eto na po ang ating master's bedroom. Yan. Queen size, can easily fit queen size bed. Yan. Dito po ang ating headboard. So, ganda na rin kasi hindi lang pader. Meron na tayong mga accent wall, sorry. Mga accent wall na tayo. And then, kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng vanity area dito, pwede na tayong mag-vanity area. And then, meron na rin AC. And then, dito po, palit kami ni BJ. Meron tayong lalagyanan ng sobrang laking TV. Bakit nito? Mas malaki pa yata ito dun sa kanina. O kahit mga 80-inch TV kasya dito. Tapos, meron tayong sariling balcony for our master's bedroom. O, master bedroom. Meron pang ano, yan sweet spot sa tapat. Third floor. O, tingnan mo, may landing area. Meron na naman tayong family area dito. So, on the third floor, meron din tayong windows and then a lot of glass wall here. Pero ang kagandahan dun sa windows natin, it's very safe. Nasa taas kasi siya. And then, kapag nagtitipid kayo sa kuryente, pag ayaw nyo ng AC, may natural air, igaganto nyo lang to. O, diba? May screen na rin yung ating windows. Tapos, pag hindi mo na siya gagamitin, you just have to press this. Ano, kung napahiya pa tuloy ako. Ayun. O, ha? O, di ba? Ang ganda. And then, for our first door, nandito ang ating outdoor unit. And then, meron din tayong water tank. Usually po dito sa Greenwoods, medyo hindi naman nag-water tank. Pero dahil meron tayong jacuzzi pool, meron tayong water tank. Okay? So, pwede rin kayo maglagay ng TV dito kung gusto nyo. Dito yung TV natin. For our, ito yung ating, kumbaga, common toilet and bath. Actually, hindi naman common. Kaya lang hindi siya inside, hindi siya ensuite. Pero, ibig sabihin, pag may guest kayo dyan, pwede na rin ito yung toilet nila. And then coming from here, meron tayo kasi parang space for your home gym. O, diba? Ang ganda, may home gym ka dito. Or kung mahilig kayo mag-gaming, pwede rin gaming area nyo to. His and hers. Pwede rin office. Diba? Ang ganda. Meron kang specific space for those needs. And then this is our fourth bedroom. Parang size ng master's bedroom natin. Buksan lang natin ito para malamig. Ayan, okay. And then ito, meron na rin tayong closet dito. Ayan, may AC na rin tayo. Mirror na lang po yung kulang nyo dito. And then of course, if you want to have a wall hang TV here, it's your choice. You can also do that. balcony dito eh. Smaller lang, square type balcony, pero connected siya dun sa ating 5th and final bedroom. Itong 5th bedroom natin, it's almost the same as our 2nd bedroom kanina, yung nakita nyo sa ating 2nd floor. Pareho siya ng layout, pareho rin siya ng size kasi nasa same side sila ng ating 2nd bedroom. So, meron din tong walk-in closet. And then, you also have the toilet and bath. En-suite toilet and bath. It's nice. Parehong-pareho nung kaninang 2nd bedroom. So, this is our 5th and final bedroom. Tayo sa last part. Ito ang ating crowning glory ng property. Meron tayong parang bar area or party area, and then you also have the jacuzzi pool that overlooks C6 and then the rest of the Greenwoods part. So, yan o, maganda to. Kaya lang ngayon, medyo madumi lang yung ano natin, yung tubig kasi wala naman nagme-maintain syempre. Pero this is our jacuzzi pool. So pag meron kayong parties with your loved ones, with your family, ang gandang area po nito. So you have the kitchenette here, you have a bar type counter here, then may few steps ka going to the jacuzzi pool. Diba? Lalo ngayong napakainit, summer, ano? Ang laking bagay na to, yung may ganito, tapos overlooking pa. O, diba? Very relaxed. Quick recap lang tayo guys for this house tour. So we're inside Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig/Taytay area. And this house stands on a 150 square meter lot area with a floor area of 380. It has 3-car garage, 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bath. It comes with a water heater for every toilet and bath. And then you also have 6 inverter type na air conditioning. We also have the 3rd floor jacuzzi pool which can house your party. The asking price for this property is just 25 million pesos and still negotiable, guys. So for a very good property, 25 million pesos lang po ang asking price natin. You're inside one of the best villages na in Pasig/Taytay area. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Please message us on the number below. You can also reach us through our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And thank you! Naka-reach na po kami ng 6,000 subscribers sa ating YouTube channel. Ang next step po natin is to reach 10,000 subscribers. And marami pong salamat. God bless and see you on the next one.